Jai Hind, my dear students. Welcome back to the live class. Children, this is your second period. It's EVS period, right? So, children, in our EVS period, yesterday we have started the revision for first periodic test for unit test 1, right? So, what was the name of the chapter? Lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. My body, right? So in that chapter we have learned about the different body parts. Yes, we know all about our body, but still I think many of you don't actually know the names of the body parts. So yesterday we have learned about all the different body parts, and we also got to know that which body part helps us to do what, which activity, right? So I also gave you the homework to learn the names of the body parts. Hope that you have done that. Great. If you have done it, very good. And if some of you are still left, so please you should complete your work. Okay? Now, so today I am going to tell you about the book exercises and notebook exercises of this chapter. आपने समर वेकेशन से पहले, समर ब्रेक से पहले इस चैप्टर को पढ़ा था, राइट? आपकी मैम ने आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिए थे, बुक में एक्सरसाइजेस कराए थे, नोटबुक में वर्क कराया था, राइट? सो इन केस अगर आपने किया है तो वेल एंड गुड, अच्छे से रिवाइज करेंगे। और अगर इन केस आपने नहीं किया, लॉस्ट हो गई कॉपी, या आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया, या आप न्यू एडमिशन हैं और आपके पास नोट्स अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो देन इट्स अ वेरी गुड चांस फॉर यू, बिकॉज आपका पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 1 फर्स्ट यूनिट टेस्ट 10th, पॉसिबली 10th ऑफ अगस्त से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी सीरियस अबाउट दिस यूनिट टेस्ट, राइट? सो बच्चों, अभी मैं ध्यान से आपको सुनना है और समझना है कि हम इस चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज दी पार्ट ऑफ यूनिट टेस्ट। ये सिलेबस में यूनिट टेस्ट में आपका इंक्लूड है, ये आएगा ये चैप्टर, तो इसीलिए आपको ध्यान से इसे सुनना है जिससे आपको लर्न हो जाए, है ना? So let's start it, right? Here now I am going to show you the book. So the chapter is chapter number 2, My Body. ये आपकी book है ना, right? So now can everybody open your book please, and open page number 8 of your book, EVS book. ठीक है? अपनी EVS book का पेज नंबर 8 ओपन करिए सारे बच्चे, फटाफट, फास्ट। I'm just waiting for you all. Please open the book. Page number 8. Page number 8. Opened? Great. Now see here, what did we learn yesterday? That our body has many parts, right? And we should take care of our body by taking regular bath, by cleaning it, by exercising, by eating healthy food. We can keep our body perfect, right? Healthy, right? So let us now learn about some names of some body parts. Like see this, from before, like till neck to ear, from the hair till the upper part of the neck. This entire portion is called as head. What it is called as? Head, right? In the head we have different parts, different body parts. So at the topmost part you can see there is a hair which covers our head, right? Now down if you come, there is a forehead, right? There are two eyes to see the things, there is one nose to smell, there is one mouth, and the mouth has lips, right? The mouth has lips where you apply balm, right? So, and inside the mouth there are set of teeth and tongue, right? Now, here in the at the corner of your face, you have two ears, ears. You have two ears to hear the things, to listen to the things, right? Now here, when you come down here, this part is called as neck. What it is called as? Neck. And just below the neck, these two hands, the part which joins the hand is called as shoulder. What it is called as? These two parts are called as shoulders, right? So now let's talk about our hand. So this entire part from shoulder to the fingers, it is called as hand, right? And this part is an elbow. The part which helps us to turn our hand is called as an elbow, right? So this is palm. This particular thing is palm, right? And this is the hand. I told you these are fingers. How many fingers we have in each hand? 5. And 5 and 5, that makes 10. 5 and 5 makes 10, right? Now here you can see the oxygen that we breathe in goes into the chest. Yes, so this is chest. Now here what it is? It's an arm. Here you can see, like aisa dole shole bante na, arm, we show the arm, right? Now see this, the food, where when we eat the food through the help of mouth, it gets stored in the stomach. It gets stored in the stomach, right? Now when you come downstairs, here the one which has thick, the leg part which joins the leg with the upper body part is called as thigh. What it is called as? Thighs, right? And where the part which helps us to turn our leg, right, is called as knee. This entire part is called as leg. This is ankle. What it is called as? Ankle, जिसे हम हिंदी में एड़ी कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? एड़ी. So एड़ी को हम ankle भी कह सकते हैं, right? This is entire, this leg जिससे आप walk करते हैं रखकर, is called as foot. What it is called as? Foot. And the thumb of the leg, leg के thumb को हम क्या कहते हैं? Toe. The leg of the thumb is called as toe, right? So now you can remember all these words, right? Now you know all the body parts. I hope that you will not forget it. Now very well, if I ask you any body part, you can tell me the name of body parts, right? Now let's do now the book exercise. That time before the summer break, maximum children did not had the book, right? Because there was a lockdown. But now you all are having your books. So please, you need to complete your work. If you have already done the book exercise, very good. And if somebody is left, so it's a very good opportunity. Let's do the book exercise, right? So how many organs do you have? Look at the picture and circle the correct answer, right answer. So the nose, the first picture is of nose. So tell me, how many nose you have? 3 nose? No. 2 nose? No. We have 1 nose, right? We have 1 nose. Now number 2, ears. So how many ears we are having? 3, 1 or 2? And the answer is 2. We have 2 ears, right? Number 3, this is foot. What it is? Foot. So how many foot we have? 1 foot, 2 foot or 3 foot? We have 2 foot. We have 2 feet, right? We have 2 feet. Now number 4. Now can you tell me what is this? This is your hand. This is not asking about your fingers. So how many hands you have? You have 2 hands, right? We have 2 hands, right? So hope that you have done this exercise number A. Now let's do exercise number B and exercise number C on page number 9, right? Everybody has opened page number 9, right? Everybody is doing it, I'm sure. So let's do the exercise B now. Write any word that rhymes with each of the following. So HAND, hand. Hand से rhyme क्या बन सकता है? BAND, band. And LAND, land. Right? So you can write any word. BAND, band. LAND, land. Right? And anything else? मुझे याद करने दो. अभी तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. Definitely और भी words बनते होंगे, but it should be a meaningful word, right? Now second one is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. So just make a rhyming word with nose. R-O-S-E, rose, right? P-O-S-E, pose, right? And rose, mose, pose, right? So R-O-S-E, rose. E-A-R, ear. So what rhyming word can match with the word ear? Ear, here. H-E-A-R, here. N-E-A-R, near, right? Now next one, H-E-A-D, head. So which word rhymes with the word head? Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. And bread, head, bread, and red, R-E-A-D, red. Read ka past tense, read, I read the book, right? So these words we can make, right? Now let's do exercise number C. Stand in front of a mirror and fill in the blanks. Okay? अब देखो ये तो मैंने जो यहाँ ब्लैंक फिल किया है ये मेरे फेस के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने मिरर को देखकर किया है. ठीक है? Now you have to stand in front of the mirror and you have to see that how your face, how you look like, and then according to that you are going to fill the blank. So see, first one, I have a dash face. So if you have a oval face, means a face which has egg shape. So if you have an oval face, you will write here oval. And if you have a round shape, a circle shape, then you will write down R-O-U-N-D, round. So I have an oval shape, so I will write down oval. I have an oval face, so I wrote O-V-A-L, oval. If you have a round face, you have to write down R-O-U-N-D, round. Now number 2, I have dash eyes. How many, what is the color of your eyes? Black or blue? Do we have blue eyes? Generally not, right? Very rarest rare anybody has a blue eyes. Not at least in India, right? In India, Indian people, we have black eyes, right? So here I am going to write down black, B-L-A-C-K, black, right? Number 3, my teeth are, how are my teeth? Yellow or white? What do you think? Your teeth is yellow. If you don't brush your teeth properly, then it will be yellow. And if you brush your teeth properly, then it should be white. So I brush my teeth properly. That's why I am going to write down white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Number 4, I have dash hair. So what kind of hair you have? If you have a curly hair, आपका curly अगर hair है, so you will write down curly. And if you have a straight hair, then you will write down straight. So I have a straight hair, so I am going to write down straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Number 5, I am dash. Well, I am thin or chubby. If you are thin, then you will write down thin, T-H-I-N, thin. And if you feel you are chubby, then you will write down C-H-U-B-B-Y, chubby. Well, I think that I am not chubby. So I am going to write down T-H-I-N, thin. T-H-I-N, thin. Right? So everybody has done this exercise. Hope that you all have done it. Now let's do the next one. Here, so on page number 9 down you can see that there is an activity, right? Observe your family members and complete this table. So what do you have to do? This is your homework, okay? Because I can't do this in the class. You have to do it on your own. See here there are columns for father, mother, brother and sister. Now you have to tell that what kind of face or eyes or hair or build your father, your mother or your brother or sister they have, right? Like if your father has black eyes, so you will write down black. If your mother has blue eyes, you will write down blue. So you have to do this on your own. Okay? Understood, beta? Now let's now move to the notebook exercises. Okay. In your notebook, yesterday I gave you homework to draw 5 different body parts. Hope that you all have drawn it. Most of you have sent me the pics also. So I saw your work. I was very impressed. Very nicely you have drawn the 5 different body parts. Great. So if you have already drawn it there, now from the next page you can start writing the notebook exercises of the same chapter, right? So the first thing that you are supposed to write, lesson number 2, my body. If already you have written, अगर आपने पहले से ही लिख लिया था समर वेकेशन के पहले बेटा, तो then maybe आपको लिखने की बहुत ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आपने प्रॉपरली लिखा है तो। लेकिन अगर आप फिर से लिखना चाह रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, फिर से आप लिख सकते हैं। जिससे आप लिखेंगे भी तो आपकी हैंड राइटिंग भी इम्प्रूव होती है और आपको लर्न भी हो जाता है, रिवाइज भी हो जाता है। और जिनके पास अगर नहीं है नोट्स, ये नहीं लिखा था, तो अभी आप लिख लेंगे, ठीक है। Lesson number 2, my body. Just put a heading and write down classwork and today's date here. Okay. Today's date is 28th of July, right? Now, the first thing that you have to write, exercise A. Where you are supposed to write on the left hand side, right? Margin, red margin है ना, वहाँ पर. So now here in the first line you will write down, rearrange these letters to name the body parts. Okay, rearrange these letters to name the body parts. So the first one is ONSE. So tell me, जब अब इसको अरेंज करो तो क्या हो सकता है, कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट का नेम बनेगा? चलो करते हैं, NOSE. It becomes nose, right? So now the second one, KEEN. ये कौन सा वर्ड है, ये कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट है? KNEE, knee. Yes. Number 3, MARS. ये कौन सा वर्ड है? ARMS, arms, right? Now number 4, NKEC. So which body part it can be? Just arrange it, and it is NECK, neck, right? Number 5, GEL. What do you think? Which word will become a name of the body part if we arrange these letters? And it is leg, LEG, leg. Number 6, IPL. IPL match? No, it's not IPL match. Just arrange it and you see which body part it becomes? LIP, lip, right? So the last one, number 7, EESYS. Which word? Just arrange the letters. You will see that it is the name of a body part, and it is EYES, eyes, right? So everybody, I will just send the PDF of this. If you have not written it from the PDF, you can just go through the PDF and you can complete your work. Write it neatly, properly. Okay. Now let's revise the next one. Here it should be actually number B, beta. It's by mistake it's written A. It should be in exercise B. Answer in one word. This you have to do it in the next page. Where you have to do it? In the next page. So write down answer in one word. एक शब्द में आंसर देना है. And the first question is, which body part helps us to write? कौन सा body part हमें लिखने में help करता है? And it is hand, right? It is hand. What is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Very good. Now number 2, which body part helps us to walk and run? Which body part helps us to walk and run? And the answer is legs. Spelling of legs, L-E-G-S, legs. Great. Number 3, name the body part which cannot be counted. कौन सा body part है जिसे हम count नहीं कर सकते? Eyes, we can count 2. Nose, we can count 1. Ears, we can count 2. Right? Fingers को हम count कर सकते हैं. So which body part we can't count? It is hair. Can you count the number of hairs that are there in your head? No, we can't count it. It is new, so many, right? It is countless. We can't just count them, right? So it is hair. H-A-I-R, hair. What is the spelling of hair? H-A-I-R, hair. So which body part helps us to write? Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Which body part helps us to write? Hand. Which body part helps us to walk and run? Legs, and the spelling is L-E-G-S, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Name the body part which cannot be counted. Name the body part which cannot be counted, and it is hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair, right? So hope that now the things are quite clear to you, right? So now children, I am going to send the PDF of this. You have to do it in your notebook. If you have already done it, well and good, just learn it. And if you have not done it, so looking at the PDF, the way it is written, you have to write it down in your notebook. Okay? So that's it for today, children. I'm going to end today's session. We will meet again in our next EVS period. Okay? Till then, just keep smiling and keep learning. Bye.